What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on Shiba Inu token. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might affect the price of this token. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should you expect from the price section. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point when we hit this top, and I've told you that we have two possibilities. First of all, we have this support line and this resistance line, and we had to break one of these lines, and right here we had the first attempt to break it to the upside, this resistance, and here we had the first attempt to break it to the downside, this support. But it wasn't the real breakout because we didn't have enough volume to confirm this breakout, and we didn't retest it from the other side of this line. And right here we have the same. We have only wick below this range, and on a 2 hours time frame it is not a real breakout. So this count was invalidated, and I don't need this tool anymore as well. And we have this sideways movement in between these two levels, and right here we had the first attempt to break it to the upside. We even retested from the top, but then we didn't have enough volume to move higher. Instead of this, we broke again inside this pattern and moved sideways for several weeks. But let me show you what is interesting with this price action. Every time when we have higher volume than we had previously, it is a green volume. And it was a very good sign that potentially this asset most likely to break to the upside. And this right here, this volume indicates that we had this movement. This right here with this green candle was also very indicative. Next one, this movement, and we hit again this resistance. And this volume with this movement to the upside pretty much confirmed that we have a very bullish setup on this token. And I will show my technical analysis in just several minutes. But for now, let's take a look on the entire crypto market. And for now, we are sitting on the total market cap of $2.56 trillion, and it is 1.21% increase over the last day. And as you can see, Bitcoin is pretty much moving sideways along the 24 hours period and 7 days period. It is at the range of about $61,000, but other major cryptocurrencies are in green, and as you can see, it is a very good sign. That's why we have this 1.21% increase. And let me show you that Shiba Inu outperformed the entire market, and it has $14.22 billion in its market cap, and it is 29.76% increase. And the total tradable volume during the last 24 hours is also very high, and it is $5.75 billion, and it is a 343% increase. And what was the reason of this movement? And I have to say that I didn't find the exact news, and I've tried to do so multiple times during previous couple of hours. But everything that I found was this video made by Avi, and he told that Falcon Capital bought $5.6 million worth in Shiba, and this was the catalyst. But I have to say that he is completely wrong. If you do your own due diligence, and you will find this Twitter, and this Twitter has only 17 tweets, but the company was founded in 1997, and they didn't have any tweets from this date. It's unusual. And all of these tweets, it is just a tweet where they try to make some kind of contest. And let me quote you this: retweet this tweet, like this tweet, and follow Falcon USA 11. Leave your address in the comment, randomly select 20 people, each give away $500. And every of their tweets has the same contest. And by the way, let me show you that Falcon USA 11 cannot relate to any Falcon Capital that is on the market right now. And if you click on this link, By the way, it is on a Chinese domain, and we cannot load this page. Even from the US territory, if I turn on the VPN, we cannot see anything on this website, and basically it is a fake website. That's why Avi is wrong. So the main point what I found is right here. We are on utoday.com, and this article was published just several hours ago, and it's titled "Robinhood adds Shib to their survey to study clients' crypto preferences." And here is the tweet, and here is the screenshot of this tweet, and it says, "Breaking news: Robinhood is emailing this survey to select users of their platform. They are including Shib as one of the answers to select, clearly doing market research on what their customers want." And right here you can see that Shiba is in this list, and potentially this might be the catalyst. But for now, in my opinion, it doesn't really matter, because everything what matters is the volume. And if the volume is confirming that we have a real movement, this means we have enough data to make some assumptions. So, and before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, we broke this resistance with a huge conviction of volume, and we almost hit the previous all-time high with this movement. But instead of breaking it to the upside, we have some consolidation for about several hours, and then we have next attempt, and this attempt for now is successful, and we also have a decent volume right here that is highly above almost any volumes that we had during the entire month. And this means if we will have a good retest from the top of this line, and with a good volume again, we'll have movement to the upside that will exceed this previous top. This will confirm that we are in uptrend. And let me show you what potential targets we might have. So if I switch to daily time frame, we have this point as our all-time high according to Binance price action. And potentially it might be our target, but if this movement, this entire movement is the third wave, and we are about to finish our fifth wave, we can project like this. If I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom to this top and to the bottom of the retracement, and right here we have certain levels. The most common ratio in between third wave and fifth wave is 0.786. This means from our current price we might have about 18% to first target, and if we will have an extension in fifth wave, we might hit one-to-one extension right here at the price point of 0.004831. And next price target, the most aggressive one, might be right here at 1.618 extension level at $0.006550 price point. And it is about 84% of potential profits from our current price. So what should you do if you want to try to catch this trade? Let me show you that on hourly time frame we have right here we have a bearish divergence, and bearish divergence is the pattern when you can see lower high on RSI with a higher high on the price action. And usually this pattern shows us that we potentially might have a trend reversal, and we might hit some lower price action, lower price targets with this asset. And that's why you have to be cautious. And as you can see, we are retesting this support line for now, and if we will have a bounce to the upside, it will be a very good sign. But otherwise, if we will break it to the downside, we potentially might have some lower price action. And if we will have it, we can project some levels. And if I project, if it is the first wave, second, third, fourth, and fifth, we have to project from this bottom to this very top. And if this is the top of the fifth wave, we have following targets. Potentially we might land at the range of 0.382 and 0.5. And the most probable level of trend reversal, if it is the real movement to the upside and it is the real first wave of the new uptrend, we might land right here at the golden pocket, and from this point we have the highest probability to hit some higher targets and to have more steam to break all-time high. And that's why you have to keep an eye on this price action, and you have to be cautious with your long position. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. Just be cautious with this asset. We don't have 100% confirmation for this movement to the upside, and that's why just subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. In this case you won't miss my next video, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!